Over long periods of time, again same thing, the calcite would. I'm going to press a button, the UV light will come out and you see what happened to them. They actually glow in blue because they will reflect the UV light. Yeah. Look at the projection. Why do you think they're making sound? What animals are those making the sound? The bats, the swiftlets. Just like the picture over here. So this is the real chapel formation from the Mulu caves.
Baby. Maliit lang siya. See how long?
What do I do? What are you doing?
Tiny bear.
Teddy bears. Just a guy.
Then put
Through the door, I try to get to the tiger.
ganyan na ganyan. Ang ikaw lang sinasabi ko. Meron? Ayaw lukinan? Away ng lalaking babae mo.
Ini.
Wow. Natin kamukha mo.
Ay, kamukha mo yun.
One. Dito. Ay, dito para dito yung pagmukha niya. Dito yung kapatid niya. Dito yung kapatid niya.
Hindi tayo makit kanina.
Meron tayo na.
Because they might eat the babies.
Crocodile's moving, Papa, crocodile's moving. You see the Papa crocodile?
What? Other than benefit,